Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today I am in the kitchen trying to make something healthy, so I'm gonna do a salad. And I'm gonna have all different types of things in my salad. But I'm gonna start off with just a bag salad. And it's already has some cabbage and carrots in there, okay? So I'm gonna actually put a cucumber. I am going to have green onions, some cheese, some tomatoes, and I've got avocados, and I've got some eggs boiling. So hang in there with me. I'm gonna start chopping up some things, and I'll be back to show you how I chop it up. And in the meantime, you know what I need you to do. That's right, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be right back. So to start off, I'm just gonna add our salad mix to our bowls. I've got 3 of them because I'm gonna do a meal prep. So I'm making enough salad for either 3 meals or 3 people. So I'm gonna spread that evenly out in the bottom of the container. Next, I'm gonna thinly slice me some tomatoes. Remember how I always tell you presentation is everything? So I'm gonna slice them thin, and then I'm gonna cut them in half because I want to spread them in a way where the presentation of the tomatoes is kind of cute. So I'm gonna slice these in half like this, and then just kind of spread them over the lettuce like that. But I've got them all against one side of the salad to start off with. So now I'm going to wash off my green onions. Remember I said you could use either green onions or red onions. I'm going to use some, I'm not sure which one yet, but you make sure you wash these off good. And when I rinse my onions, I actually put water on the inside of them and rinse them off. And then just take some scissors and chop them up so that I can sprinkle them on the salad. I did say you could either use green onions or red onions, right? So, or you can use both. It's up to you. Since I haven't decided if I'm going to use the green or the red, I'm going to slice up me some red. Like I said, I might even use both, but red onions are a little bit sweeter. The green onions are pretty mild, and red onions are mild too. But what I want to do, I want to slice them extremely thin because you don't want to bite into a thick piece of raw onion. So I'm going to slice these thin. You see how little that is? Not only for the taste, but like I said, for presentation. So I'm going to spread these out evenly. See how I'm doing that? Put as much or as little as you want when it comes to the onions. I just finished washing off my cucumber. Remember, you have to wash all of your fruit. And then I'm going to slice it thin as well. I'm gonna just keep these the whole circle part, but I'm gonna slice them thin because I want to spread them the same way that I did the tomatoes, but I'm gonna put them right next to the tomatoes. So as you can see, I'm making
a line of each. I've got my line of tomatoes, I've got my line of onions, now I have my line of cucumbers, and I'm going to put my cheese, but I'm going to actually put the cheese all the way at the end on the other side because I want to put my avocado in between where the cheese and the cucumber was. Now, when you do your avocados, make sure that you slice them inside of the little shell part. And that way, when you scoop them out, they're already sliced up. And it's easier to do it that way, especially if your avocados are very ripe like mine are. So they're real soft. And so when they're soft, it's makes it hard to work with them, especially if you're trying to be all pretty with it and spread them out a certain way. So make sure you just slice it inside. See how I spread that out? Okay, my eggs have finished boiling and I've peeled them already. So I'm just gonna cut them and put a half of an egg in each corner, or maybe just one egg, it depends. I only cooked a couple, but anyway, I'm gonna put some black pepper and some salt, especially on the tomatoes, the cucumbers, and onions. Those things usually I eat with salt and pepper anyway, so when you do your salad, make sure you season your salad. That's one of the secrets that they do in the restaurants. They season your salads, and that's why they taste so good. Now, like I said, these are meal prep, so I'm gonna put them away in the refrigerator. I'm gonna put a lid on them and put them away for later. Now, take a look at the presentation of my salads. Not only does it taste delicious, but it's gonna look delicious. See?
Okay, so my salads are done. And as you can see, the lettuce is on the bottom. We have tomatoes, onions, boiled eggs, cucumbers, shredded cheese, avocado, and I seasoned it with salt and pepper. That's one thing you notice in a restaurant why it tastes different. They actually season their salads. So if you notice, I made multiple ones of them. So those of you who are out there doing meal prep, when you make one salad, it's just as easy to make 3 or 4 salads, and you'll have one for every day of the week, or So I'm going to actually eat this for dinner. Now, if you have some leftover chicken, you can actually put that on top, or any kind of lunch meat, you can put that on top if you like. Whatever kind of salad dressing you want is up to you. But I'm gonna eat mine, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.